Hello, I'm John Russell. Today, let's explore the vowel sound It's the sound of modal verbs, among many other important words. To make the sound, your lips should be slightly rounded and relaxed. Your tongue should be relaxed and raised at the back of your mouth. Is a common sound in modal verbs. You know, those auxiliary verbs that express ability or possibility. They often have an OULD spelling, as in could, should, would. Could, should, would. But the vowel sound has two other common spelling patterns. The first is the letters OO, as in good, stood, neighborhood, good, stood, neighborhood. The second is the letter U, as in push, pull, full, push, pull, full. I'll end this video with a quiz. In the following sentences, count how many times you can hear the sound. Write your answer in the comments section of our website. Could you help me look for the sugar? Could you help me look for the sugar? Would you like to read a good book? Would you like to read a good book? That's all for today. Keep up the good work.